From the category of what items we can find in China, this is from AliExpress. It's adapter for battery charging to the phone or other devices that use USB charging or Type C charging. This is for Milwaukee. They also have this item for Makita and DeWalt, but also Parkside has uh, some items like this with a flashlight that you can buy in Lidl stores, but this is from China. So you put this on the battery like this. The battery is charged, and you start the charging from this button. It has a LED light here, and if you don't charge anything, this will turn off in, I don't know, some minutes or seconds, I don't know exactly. And you put this is the USB-C charging for this, and also you can use the USB regular charger, or what type of device do you need? Okay, so this is about it. The charging is not that fast, it's a regular charge, but I have 80%, 88%, and 22 minutes till full. It's not a fast charge, but it will do the job.